How to schedule reports in People Analytics, presented by Langley Consulting. In this presentation, we will be covering how to schedule a report, how to check schedules and subscriptions, how to renew credentials, and some best practices to make your life easier along the way. Why schedule reports? Scheduling reports helps you save time by automating report delivery, ensures timely and consistent data delivery, and it reduces manual errors, improves data accuracy, and enables proactive, data-driven decision-making. Step 1. Select your report. Choose the report you want to create a schedule for. In this example, we are going to create a schedule for the active employees general report. Click the 3 dots, then click Properties. Step 2. Create the schedule. Click on the Schedule tab, then click Create Schedule. Step 3. Set the frequency and timing. Here you will choose how often you want your report to run. In this example, we want this report to be delivered every Monday at 11:16 a.m. Next, you'll select the Options tab and select Excel for the format. For delivery, you will select Send Report by email and then click Edit Details. Step 4. Add recipients. Here you will add all the recipients you want to receive this report. The to-line will auto-populate, but best practice is to remove it and type in all the emails you want separated by a semicolon. Add a quick message if desired, then uncheck Include Link and check Attach Report Output. If you do not check Attach Report Output, an email will send but no report will be attached. Once finished, click Save. A best practice is to CC an admin account or guest user on all reports as a backup for troubleshooting or in case it gets lost or deleted by recipients. Step 5. Verify schedule. After you finish adding the recipients and click Save, you will see that the report has been scheduled and is enabled. Should you need to disable the schedule, you will click the slider bar next to Enable and this will temporarily disable this report from being delivered until you enable it again. If you need to delete the whole schedule, you would simply click Delete. Best practice. Make sure the credentials on scheduled reports belongs to the admin or guest user account that will own all BI schedules. Step 6. Check schedules and subscriptions. Click on the profile icon, then click on My Schedules and Subscriptions. This will show you all scheduled reports under the account you are logged in as. You can choose the drop-down to see current, past, upcoming and schedule reports. Schedules and subscriptions continued. This shows you the enabled and disabled scheduled reports. Here you can also see the upcoming reports that are waiting to be sent. Step 7. Checking for failed reports. Here you can click the filter icon and choose the period and status of reports. In this example, you can select the period drop-down and see the last 4 hours. Or you can select the From and To section and put in the date and time a report was supposed to be delivered. Renewing credentials re-authenticates the connection to the underlying data source, helping restore access and prevent refresh failures. It does not change permissions or modify data. It's best practice to do this prior to scheduling a burst or event studio alert. For reporting best practices, there are a few things we recommend putting in place. First, establish a single report owner, like an admin or guest account not tied to a single employee. Having one designated account own the reports helps maintain consistency and reduces the risk of reports failing due to changes with individual employee accounts. We also recommend regularly checking for failed reports. If something does fail, the team should be able to quickly identify the issue and resend the report if needed. Use clear, meaningful report names. A consistent naming convention improves clarity and searchability, making it easier to find the right report when troubleshooting or making updates. Another helpful practice is maintaining a scheduled report tracker. This should include the reports being sent, their schedules, recipients, and any other key details. The tracker essentially becomes your safety net. That way, if UKG goes down or there's an issue with scheduled reporting, you still know what was supposed to go out and when. The team can then manually send any necessary notifications and make sure nothing gets missed. We hope you found this presentation helpful. If you have any questions or are interested in working together, email us at info@langleyconsultingllc.com. We'd love to connect. If you want to see more UKG tips, tricks and how-tos, please like and subscribe.